wait. Okay, in the last lecture we have started the unit 5. Okay, yes. There is one online software is available. Okay, for running the MySQL program, online compiler you can say. Okay, the steps are given here. Okay, I'm trying now, so you will get idea how to run the programs. Okay, see, go to these sites. Okay, https apex.oracle.com. Your screen is visible to everyone. Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So go to this site. Okay. Click on get started button for running MySQL program. Okay. In Oracle. Okay. For Oracle. Click on free workspace options. Okay. Choose the application development options. Okay. And click next. So I have opened this site. Okay. Steps I did not perform because I want to perform in front of you. Okay. So uh, request for a free workspace. Okay, the steps are given here. Okay, see, request a workspace. Okay, then this page will open. We have to enter our first name, last name, email ID. Okay, then schema name. Please enter the name of Oracle database. Okay, you would schema you would like to have created for your workspace and space allocations. Okay, then request a workspace. Okay, so we are following these steps. First name, so I'm entering my name. Okay, then okay, okay. This workspace name unique identifier development environment it is used to when signing in. So that's fine. IT. Just remember this name, students. Okay. हमने क्या नेम दिया है वर्कस्पेस के लिए SYIT Oracle. Okay, please remember this name, workspace name. Okay, country India. Okay, then usage for personalization के लिए हम लोग use करें. Wait. Okay, then next. Are you new to Oracle? This is for survey. Okay, this is a survey के लिए. Are you new to Oracle? Yes. Do you plan to use this workspace for a university class or training? No. Next. Okay. Why are you requesting this survey? So what here we can write this information. So practice. Okay. Next. Yes, I accept the terms. Then click on next. Okay, so request a workspace. First name BHGYSFIWE, workspace name SYIT Oracle. Okay. Usage personal. Submit request. Now see, you will receive email to activate workspace. Once this request has been approved, now check the email. Yes, I have sent the file. Okay, this Word file I have sent you. Action required. Workspace approved. Create workspace. Okay. Continue to sign in on screen. New password and confirm password. Okay, so use password one. Okay, password. After that, try yourself. Okay, yes. See. Please, students, save this link. Okay, save this link in chat box. I have sent the link. Okay, copy करके रखो उसको http apex.oracle.com. Okay, apex.oracle.com is the site through which you can run your Pls Sql programs online, so no need to download. Okay, so this saves your space also in your computer system. Okay, why? Because we are doing the online. Okay, so instead of downloading, you can create the account like this. Okay, and after creating your account, you can perform the program. Okay, so this is our syntax that we have seen in the last lecture. Okay, declare we have to write first, then declare the variable in the inside the declare section. Okay, हमने यहाँ पे variable declare किया है. Message is a variable. This is a data type. Equals to के लिए we have to use column and equals to, then give the value. So here string we have given, then begin, and for printing the output we have the DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, this is for printing the output. Okay, to print the output, and we have to write this DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Okay, and uh, variable name. Okay, and backslash. Okay, okay. If you have to feel, let's go. Okay, so hello world जो हमने प्रिंट किया था. For example, if we are changing anything, okay, so it is done. Now see, next we have seen. Okay, so this is a compiler through which you can run your programs. Okay, in the last lecture, variables we have covered. Okay, yes, yes, this program we have now. You can run. Okay, wait, copy paste. Yes, students, you will write program yourself. Okay, okay. Declare variables are declared. Okay, 30. What is 30? 30 क्या है? 20. 10 plus 20. 30. Okay, 10 plus 20. 30, and value of f is 70 divided by 3 क्या है? Okay, so the value of output कैसे print करवाया? The value of f. Okay, if you want to print like here c के लिए भी ऐसे print करवाना है, so you have to write. Okay. Okay, now you can see value of f. Here we can write value of c. Okay, run. No need to save, automatically वो save हो रहा है, and result are displayed to here. Okay, if we will do here minus, okay, a minus b, so minus 10. Okay, so this is a basic things that you can practice. Okay, so syntax is the main, बाकी logic सबको पता है. Logic is we know the logic. Okay, only syntax is important. First of all, write declare, then declare the variable inside the declare, then write the begin. Okay, then inside begin you can write your program. Okay, and for printing के लिए this we can use. Okay, so this is a Pls Sql programs. Yes, okay. It's variable scope that we have covered in the last lecture. Yes, students, समझ में आ रहा है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yes. Now next we have started this one, assigning SQL queries result to PL SQL variables. Okay. In the last lecture we left from this topic. Okay. Now we will continue this one, assigning SQL query result to PL SQL variables. Okay. So for that, first of all, they have created the one table. Okay. उन्होंने एक table create किया. Now they have insert the record in this table. The customer is a table. In customer table, ID, name, age, address, salary, okay, are the column, and ID is a primary key and it is not null. The name is also should not be blank. Okay, so they are inserting the records. After inserting records, what they have done, the following program assigns value from the above table to PLSQL variables. ठीक है, तो ये जो हमने tables में entry किया ना, उसका values we are assigning to the PLSQL variables. किसको दे रहे हैं हम लोग? PLSQL variables को दे रहे हैं. तो how to assign the values? So this is a syntax. Okay. So first of all, you have to declare the variables. ठीक है, जितना अपने columns है वो columns के लिए you have to declare variables. Okay, so we can declare the variables inside the declare statement. Okay, c underscore id customer. Okay, c underscore id, it is a name of variable. ठीक है, you can give any name. आप कोई भी name दे सकते हैं. This is variable name. जैसे a b c है तो वैसे उन्होंने they have defined the c underscore id customer variable name. Okay, तो dot id. ठीक है, तो ये डॉट करके डॉट क्यों यूज हो रहा है? टू रिफरिंग दी कंपोनेंट्स. ठीक है, हमने डेलीमीटर्स में देखा डॉट मॉड्यूलस all are the delimiters, special symbols. Okay, these special symbols have meaning, special meaning. Okay, जो ऊपर टेबल में हम लोगों ने देखा, तो please read that all the special symbols and it delimiters and its meaning. Okay, so dot is used to access the column of the table. Okay, column of the table. Okay, so id is a column of the table. Okay, id is the column of the table. Okay, तो ये जो वेरिएबल है, दिस वेरिएबल c अंडरस्कोर id कस्टमर रिफर टू दिस. ओके, मॉड्यूलस टाइप यू हैव टू राइट. ओके, दिस इज सिंटैक्स इक्वल्स टू 1. तो आईडी को क्या वैल्यू दे दिया? कौन सा आईडी रिफर करेंगे हम लोग? 1, जिसका आईडी 1 है उसके लिए. ठीक है, आईडी 1 है उसके लिए. देन सेकंड मतलब इनिशियलाइज कर दिया, जैसे हम लोग a इक्वल्स टू 10 a इक्वल्स टू 20 इनिशियलाइज करते हैं, वैसे दे हैव इनिशियलाइज दी दिस वेरिएबल c अंडरस्कोर id 1 दे दिया. द सेकंड variable they have declared for the second column name. Okay, third variable they have declared for the third column in the table, and salary. So name, address, salary. Okay, name, address, salary. Name, address and salary. They do not use now age. ठीक है, अभी age उन लोग use नहीं करे. They are using these variables now. Okay, ये तो हो गया declaration section. Okay, then begin लिखा है. Then select. Okay, select name, एड्रेस, सैलरी इनटू. ओके, जो भी वैल्यूज हम लोग सिलेक्ट करेंगे, ओके, उसको किसमें प्रिंट करना है, मतलब किसमें स्टोर करना है? इनटू द वेरिएबल. व्हिच वेरिएबल्स व्हिच वी हैव डिक्लेयर्ड इन द बिगिनिंग सेक्शन. तो सिलेक्ट करो नेम, एड्रेस, सैलरी इनटू c अंडरस्कोर नेम, c अंडरस्कोर एड्रेस एंड c अंडरस्कोर सैलरी. ठीक है, जो हमने वेरिएबल्स डिक्लेयर किए वो वेरिएबल्स में जो वैल्यूज हमने डाला है, ठीक है, वो इसमें स्टोर हो जाएगा. फ्रॉम कस्टमर टेबल है, वेयर आईडी कौन सा रिकॉर्ड तुमको स्टोर करना है कि वेयर आईडी इक्वल्स टू सीआईडी. तो सीआईडी हमने क्या दिया है? 1. ओके, तो जो वैल्यूज जो है नेम, एड्रेस, सैलरी के लिए जिसका आईडी 1 है, फॉर दैट कस्टमर द वैल्यूज will be stored, okay, in this variables. Then DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line क्या प्रिंट करवाना है? c name, c address and c salary. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि हम लोग वेरिएबल आंसर जो है वो प्रिंट करवा रहे, बट कैसे प्रिंट करवा रहे? थ्रू दी वेरिएबल्स. ओके, कस्टमर what will be the output? कस्टमर c name, तो जो भी नेम डाला होगा वो टेबल में रमेश, फ्रॉम एड्रेस अहमदाबाद, ऑन सैलरी. ओके, तो स्टेटमेंट विल बी प्रिंटेड लाइक दिस. ओके, ऐसा आउटपुट प्रिंट होगा कि कस्टमर रमेश फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद ऑन 2000. ओके, तो दिस इज द कि एक्सेसिंग द टेबल वैल्यूज. ओके, एक्सेसिंग द टेबल वैल्यू थ्रू द वेरिएबल्स. ओके, हम लोग कैसे एक्सेस करें? थ्रू द variables. Okay. Yes. Now Pls Sql condition statement. Okay. What is condition? You know. Okay. We have learned in C language also, C++ also, Java also, in JavaScript. Okay. In JavaScript नहीं किया हम लोगों ने, JavaScript में नहीं किया. और so this is a if condition, you know, for use for testing the conditions. Okay, जैसे आप other languages में करते हो वैसे ही है. What is the syntax? This is syntax: if condition, then statement, and if. Yes, in JavaScript में we have learned this if condition. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Okay. तो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है, तो अभी एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. कंसेप्ट will be same. Okay, there are different syntax for if then else statement, if condition then statement, and if. Okay, if is executive and condition is true. Okay, if then else if statement, so if is a keyword, you have to write condition, then is a keyword. Okay, then जो भी statement, whatever statement you want to print here correct statement, then write the else, then false statement you have to print, and if. Yes. Okay. Okay, then second next is if then else if statement. Okay, if condition one, then multiple conditions you can check. Okay, sorry, this is for nested, this is for nested. Okay, this is for nested, and this is for multiple conditions. Okay, we have already done. Okay, when condition is found to be true, the if then else statement will execute the corresponding code and not check the conditions any further. If then no condition is met, the else option of the if then else statement will be executed. Else if and else portions are optional. Okay, yes, this is main thing that you have to remember. Else if and else portions are optional. Okay, yes, example of Pls Sql statement उन्होंने example दिया है, करके दिया है. declare a number, declare variable declare किया है. ठीक है, then begin if conditions लिखा है. ठीक है, we can try this program, we can try. Okay, copy. But no need to write this number. Okay, because this is not a syntax, number is not syntax, so we have to delete this. Yes, student, please today try this one. Okay. Okay, now we can and declare variable is declared. Okay, this is a command. See, double hyphen, this is a command, so it is in green. Okay, it is in green line because this is a command. Okay, yes. Okay, a is not less than 20, value of a is 500. Okay, so what is the program? A number. Okay, a is a variable, number is a data type, this is a size. Okay, equals to 500, they have assigned. Okay, begin, then if a less than 20, then a, the value of a is less than 20, then this will be printed. A is less than, otherwise a is not less than 20 will be printed. So here our a's value is 500. Okay, that is a greater है, condition false है, so the else statement में जो भी होगा that will be printed. Okay, and if. Okay, after the if they have written the value of a is this. Okay, so this line will be printed always. Okay, condition right है कि wrong है तो भी this line will be printed always. Why? Because this is the outside the if, this is the outside the if. Okay, so this is a simple if else program. Okay. Okay, then Pls Sql case statement. Okay, Pls Sql case statement. The Pls Sql case statement facilitates you to execute a sequence of statement based on a selected switch case statement. Okay, switch case statement. तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने switch keyword उन्होंने remove कर दिया, only case is there. Okay, the concept is same, जो switch case है वही यहाँ पे, only syntax change है, concept same है. Okay, so the case statement work like if statement only using the keyword when. A case statement is evaluated from top to bottom. If it gets the condition true, then corresponding then plus is executed and the execution goes to the end case. See what is the syntax case. Okay, पहले हम लोग switch लिखते थे, ठीक है, and write the expressions. Okay, when condition 1 अगर ये expression ये condition को match हो रहा है, then this result will be printed. If this expression match with this condition, then this will be printed. Okay, यहाँ पे हम लोग case नीचे लिखते थे choices में. Okay, so here changes है थोड़ा syntax में, that you have to remember. I will ask this syntax in the MCQ exam, so you have to remember the syntax. Okay, if में कोई change नहीं था, in this there is some change. Okay, so you have to remember this change. So one example they have taken, declare variable grade is a variable. Okay, character data type equals to a. Okay, the grade is a variable, usko assign kiya hai a. Then begin. Okay, inside the begin you have to write the logic. Okay, this is a variable declaration, so you can declare the variable inside the declare section. Okay, then inside the begin section you can write your program. Here what they have written, case. Okay, grade, this is the expression grade. Here grade is a variable and the value of grade is a. When a, ठीक है, when a अगर a होगा then excellent will be printed. When b होगा तो very good will be printed. Okay, c होगा तो good, d हो average, f होगा तो pass with grade, else अगर नहीं है तो fail. And case. Okay, and this is end for the begin. Okay, ये जो end case है, this end is for this case statement and this end is for begin. Okay, so syntax change है, meaning तो उसका वही है. So what is the grade value? Grade value is a. तो a है तो क्या, excellent. Excellent will be printed. Okay, loop. Okay, you can also use the loops in Pls Sql. Okay, if statement you can use, switch statement you can use, loops also you can use. Okay, the Pls Sql loops are used to repeat the execution of one or more statement. As you know, no need to explain. Syntax for basic loop. What is the syntax? So you have to write first of all loop, then sequence of the statement and loop. Okay, why I am explaining to you? Because I will ask this syntax. Okay, I will ask this syntax in the exam or in the practical exam also. Okay, so please remember the syntax. Syntax is important. Okay, बाकी concept आपको पता है कि loop हम लोग क्यों use करते हैं. Types of loops. There are 4 types of Pls Sql loops. Okay, there are 4 types of Pls Sql loops. याद रखना है. Which type of loops? Basic loops and exit loop. Okay, both are the same. While loop, for loop and cursor for loop. Okay, basic and exit loop both are the same. Okay, basic loop or you can say exit loop. Then while loop, for loop and cursor for loop. These are the 4 types of the Pls Sql loops. Okay, so I will give the options in the MCQ which are the type of Pls Sql loops. Okay, yes or no आपको पता होना चाहिए. So this is a Pls Sql exit or basic loop. Okay, so Pls Sql exit loop is used when a set of statement is to be executed at least once before the termination of the loop. Okay, there must be an exit condition specified in the loop. Otherwise, the loop will get into the infinite number of iteration. Okay, after the occurrence of exit condition, the process exits the loop. See, loop. What is the syntax? Loop, sequence of statements, and end loop. Okay, this is a basic loop ka syntax. This is exit. Okay, means do and do while. You can say. Okay, loop statement exit or exit when condition. So this is while loop. You can मतलब बोल सकते हो, but है नहीं वो. Okay, okay. Then this is a do while. Okay, so example उन्होंने दिया है. Declare variable declare किया है begin. Okay, inside the begin loop they have written exit. Okay, exit when I greater than 10. कभी exit करना है, पहले उन्होंने condition किया है कि exit when I greater than 10. जब I का value 10 से ज्यादा होगा then loop should be exited. Print करो I. Okay, I का value अभी क्या है 1, तो first of all 1 will be printed. Then I का value increment कर रहा है. Okay, and loop end. I equals to I plus 1. So first the value of I is 1. After that I plus 1 मतलब 2. Again it will check condition कि 2 greater than है कि नहीं 10 से. So these steps will be repeated until the condition becomes false. Okay, once the condition becomes false, the loop will be ended. Okay, only syntax change है, logic तो वही है, syntax change है, आपको वो याद रखना है. Yes, you must follow these steps while using Pls Sql Exit Loop. Initialize a variable before the loop body. Increment the variable in the loop. You should use exit when statement to exit from the loop. Otherwise, exit statement without when condition, the statement in the loop is executed only once. Okay, so these are the steps that you have to remember. Okay, while using the Pls Sql Exit Loop. Okay, the second उन्होंने एक example दिया है exit loop का. यूजिंग द इफ से उन्होंने दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. डिक्लेयर टू वेरिएबल्स डिक्लेयर किया है, वेरिएबल 1 एंड वेरिएबल 2 आर डिक्लेयर. देन बिगिन वेरिएबल 1 इक्वल्स टू 100, वेरिएबल 2 इक्वल्स टू 1. लूप, ओके. डीबीएमएस आउट प्रिंट करो वेरिएबल 1 इनटू वेरिएबल 2, ओके. मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. इफ वेरिएबल 2 इक्वल्स टू 10, ओके. अगर वेरिएबल 2 इक्वल्स टू 10 है, देन ओके, देन एग्जिट. एंड इफ, ओके, वेरिएबल 2 इक्वल्स टू वेरिएबल 2 प्लस 1, तो एंड करना है, ठीक है. तो दिस इज अ प्रोग्राम है, यू कैन ट्राई, ठीक है. आई विल नॉट रन दिस प्रोग्राम, यू विल ट्राई योरसेल्फ एट होम, ठीक है. तो ट्राई करो इसको. जो आपका वर्क स्पेस है स्कूल, ठीक है, ऑनलाइन, दैट यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन वर्क स्पेस ऑनलाइन, ठीक है. सो नो नीड टू डाउनलोड ओरेकल. प्लीज प्रैक्टिस Pls Sql while loop. Okay, this is while condition, loop statement, and loop. Declare I integer equals to 1. Begin while I less than 10. Loop. Okay, syntax. See the syntax. Main syntax ही आपको देखना है. बाकी आपको पता है कि what is while loop, for loop. Okay, syntax ही आपको याद रखना है. And I will ask you syntax. Okay, एग्जाम में क्या होगा, सिंटेक्स दिया होगा या तो स्मॉल ऐसे प्रोग्राम दिया होगा, 4 ऑप्शन दिया होगा आउटपुट का. यू हैव टू चूज करेक्ट ऑप्शंस. ऐसे भी मैं आपको I can ask like this. Okay, I will give these say 3 to 4 lines of the programs. 4 options are given to you and you have to choose the correct option. Okay, output दिया होगा, what will be the output, ठीक है. तो आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. और उसके लिए you have to run the programs. ये जो बेसिक्स प्रोग्राम्स है Pls Sql का, बेसिक्स प्रोग्राम वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करके, देन ये लूप्स वगैरह जो मैं करवा रही हूँ उतना I will ask. Okay, yes. You must follow these steps while using Pls Sql while loop. Initialize a variable before the loop body. Increment the variable in the loop. You can use exit when statement and exit statements in while loop, but it is not done often. Okay, तो ये steps जो है इसको याद रखना है, ठीक है. कुछ ज्यादा उसमें दिस इज कोई टफ कंसेप्ट है नहीं. You have to read and you can understand. Okay. Then second example उन्होंने दिया, you can try yourself. Okay. Then for loop. Okay, what is the syntax of for loop? For counter. See, syntax change हो रहा है. Okay, syntax में change है. So syntax we have to remember. Again, I am repeating, syntax is important. Okay, for counter in initial value. Okay, then dot dot, 2 dots are there. Final values, loop. Okay, loop statements and loop. Okay, initial value मतलब start integer value and final value मतलब end integer value. This is a for syntax, पूरा अलग ही syntax है, देखो ये. Okay, for example see begin. Okay, for k variable in 1 to 10. तो 1 to 10 के बीच में you have to write two stops आपको करना है, ठीक है. See 1 dot dot 2 then loop. Okay, not that k was not declared. उन्होंने k declare नहीं किया है. Okay, k declare नहीं किया है. डायरेक्टली उन्होंने 4 करके k वेरिएबल का नेम दे हैव रिटर्न. ओके, उसको डिक्लेयर नहीं किया, डायरेक्टली दे हैव यूज. ओके, डिक्लेयर करना मतलब क्या, उसको इंटीजर मतलब कोई इंटीजर है, फ्लोट है, जो भी उसको पहले डिक्लेयर करना देन यूज करना. बट हियर व्हाट दे हैव डन, दे हैव डायरेक्टली रिटर्न द के. ओके, दे हैव नॉट डिक्लेयर्ड द के वेरिएबल. उसको कौन सा डेटा टाइप में डिक्लेयर नहीं किया. DBMS underscore output dot put line k, the value of k will be printed and loop end. Okay, so this is the for loop program. Second भी दिया हुआ है program. Okay, I have already sent this file to you in the Google Classroom. Please run these programs. Okay, programs run करो. Okay, in the next lecture we will see the again see reverse loop. We will see the next lecture. Okay.